Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Gemini, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, Gemini. We are picking these cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, Gemini. And I have a fairy tale pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So if you are interested, you can watch that, guys, Gemini. So let's start with these cards, guys, the general energy. So it is Two of Wands in reverse, Fool in reverse, and the Devil. So Gemini, in your situation today, guys, it may be in your career or personal life, you are quite emotional about some things. Maybe in your situation something is not right. Maybe this person you love, or it may be your energy. You are afraid of something. Maybe you're afraid of this person's welfare. They are suffering from some illness, or someone from your family is having some kind of illness or sickness. So you are really worried about them, worried for their health, or maybe you need to make some arrangements maybe to take care of them. That is really stressing you and worrying you a lot today, guys, Gemini. And maybe this person, or it may be your energy, the reasons for these troubles may be your carelessness or their carelessness in some ways. Again, there is some kind of situation which demands your attention, and you don't have that patience to be really responsible and do that work in a responsible way. So you are feeling really emotional and you are unable to take care of that responsibility, guys. So something is bothering you a lot, and maybe this illness, or it may be some kind of habit this person has. So it may be some bad habits of this person, guys. Maybe they are having addictions like drinking, smoking, something affecting their health, and their behavior is not rational. They have a very violent behavior, or maybe some things are not right in your situation. That is again stressing you a lot, guys, Gemini. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, for your general reading. Let's see what is the card for your relationship, specific to your relationship. We have Page of Pentacles in reverse, guys. So with this card here, in your situation, guys, maybe for some of you there is something, some kind of news coming in your situation. It may be a bad news, guys, for some of you. But for some of you, I see that it may be some kind of news, but you were expecting it for quite some time now. It may not take you by surprise, but it is still something to be worried about. So that is what I see with these cards, Gemini, for your relationship. Let's see what is the card for your career situation. So it is King of Cups. So Gemini, you are someone who is very protective, responsible. So that may be the reason you are trying to take care of this person, but situation is spiraling downhill. You are unable to do that, unable to take care of them, however hard you are trying today. you're finding it really difficult to look after this person with their habits or some kind of illness. So that is the reading with these cards, guys. So these cards may point out something negative to us, Gemini, but these are just cards. We need not worry. So what we make of our life is truly in our hands. So we should not worry what these cards are saying, guys. So that is what I see with these cards. If you want more clarity, you can watch the fairy tale pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Gemini. For your love reading, guys, it is going to be like a pick a card, and it is a special fairy tale pick a card love reading. So it may point out to your situation or answer some questions you have in your mind or some confusion. So you need to just close your eyes, think about your situation for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card. This is your first card, this is your second card. So I will start after a few seconds of silence, guys. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card, the first card. So let's see. It is Rapunzel, liberation. So with this card, guys, the energy, we all know the story, guys, story of Rapunzel. So it stands for liberation, freedom. So in your situation, whenever we get this card in a reading, it just means that you are feeling trapped in something, some situation or some circumstance. You are unable to make some decision, and you are trying to isolate yourself. Maybe you are avoiding people literally, or you are trying to isolate yourself maybe for some reasons, and maybe you are not able to make your own choices, or someone is making those choices for you, and or someone, maybe one person is influencing you, and you need fresh ideas, fresh inputs today, and maybe something is troubling you in your situation, guys, and you're trying to escape, or you're escaping from your situation, not ready to face your circumstance, maybe, guys, and you are having some negative thought patterns today, maybe in this love, maybe in this connection, and you feel you cannot leave this person, or maybe for some reasons you have, maybe it may be fear or something is blocking you from leaving them. You want to leave them, you want freshness in your life, or you want something else, but you are unable to make that decision today, guys, because something is blocking you. But in truth, it is in your own hands, guys. Your freedom is in your own hands, so you are free to make your own choices today, guys. So whatever you have in your mind, you can, or whatever you wish for, you can go with it, if you have that strength and determination. And maybe for some of you, you have decided on some things, and but you're not, you have some inhibition to step into action. Maybe that time of waiting is over today, guys, and you are going to see your situation with a new perspective, and you are going to free yourself from the negative thoughts that you are having about your love or about your situation. And maybe for some of you, you have some fears or some negative memories because of your past, and that is what is holding you back today. But it is time you overcome all that, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who have chosen this card, the first card. So let's see what is the second card. I will keep this card aside. So let's see what is the second card. The Little Mermaid. sacrifice. So this is your second card, guys. And the energy with this card is that for those who have chosen this card, maybe you are sacrificing too much for this love, guys, or for this connection, for this person. Maybe you are doing so much, facing lot of trials, risking so much to belong to this person. And maybe for some of you, you are trying to change yourself so much. It may be even a physical kind of change through surgery, or you're making changes to your appearance, maybe to make you more appealing, make you more lovable. But you need to understand that pain and self-sacrifice will not lead you to an happy ending, guys. You have to have that, you have to love your true self, whatever you are. You should not try to be something which you are not, guys. That will only take you towards more pain and suffering in life. So maybe you are desiring something and you want to do certain things which you are not, but only if you are true to your self, whatever you are honestly, only then it will give you peace of mind and happiness. And if you are trying to be something which you are not, it is not going to give you happiness, guys. So that is what this card is about. And you should stay away from relationships which demands too much from you, too much sacrifice, or it means it is something unbearable for you to make so much sacrifice or do so much for this love, for to be with this person. And you are unique in your own way, and you are precious in your own way, and the right person who will appreciate that will love you. So you need not worry, guys. So that is what I see with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this card. So if you are in a situation where you have to pay too much for this love, you need to think twice, guys, before going in deep with that connection. So that is a reading with this card, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.